here at the Shang Port. Yeah. Waiter, why are you not waiting? I'm not waiter. I should not wait.
Ako naman, JP, kanina, porket mo ka mas maraming pera yung kabilang table, inuuna. Yung senior citizen card, lalagyan mo ng discount lang. Pero member na ako. Kunwari, kakain ako sa baba. Pwede na nang gamitin.
Agad ay ma-member.
Ano member? Golden Circle member. Pwede. Kahit sa Boracay. Pwede ba nakakarating doon? Part owner ako ng Shangri-La Group of Companies. Parang nag-iba ba yung pagtingin niyo sa
Hindi, kasi hindi laminated. Tsaka it's not gold.
Hindi yung totoo nito gold. Ito gold to. Gold plated. Are you a Golden Circle member? Please don't talk to me. I don't talk to non-members. I only talk to Lidette because her husband is a member. Dati, member lang ako ng pulang araw. Ngayon, member na ako ng Golden Circle.
Elite member ka ba sa SM?
Hindi, yung basic SM advantage.
Tapos mag-divide ka ng 150 mo, wala ko na.
Oo, yun na-earn kong points. Pang-renew rin lang nung membership. Sa level nitong Golden Circle membership na to, of course, SM Advantage, yung Supercard, ay, wag mo minamaliit at SNR, Laking National, Toy Kingdom, Mercury Supercard, balasa na akin to. KB, ano bang mga ginagawa pa ng mga members dito sa Shangri-La Port? May mga iba pa ba restaurants? Oo. Saan kami maganda mag-dessert? Yung pang Golden Circle members. Dito? Nagbayad na kami.
So, anong feeling na ngayon ay Golden Circle member of Shangri-La Fort?
I'm so honored and like, I really belong here.
Paano ba makakuha ng Golden Circle card?
Hihingi ka na.
Free! Anong privileges?
You can eat here. Meron ka special privilege. Pwede mo ilublob yung paa mo sa swimming pool. Pero, paalam. Hindi ka pwede mag-swimming kasi hindi ka naman naka-check-in.
Actually, may free staycation sa lobby. And you get to use the elevator for free.
And the CR. Libre din na gamit the CR.
Bawal yung bidet.
Bawal magugas ng kamay.
Unless you're a platinum member.
Pag golden toilet paper lang kung meron.
This is our new hangout place because you have to make sulit your membership card.
Welcome to our neighborhood.
What's that?
I found the golden circle.
You found the Golden Circle?
Yeah, it's exactly the circle of the court. I will show you. Oh my God, what a discovery. I found it.
And another one? Nasa circles tayo?
No, that's a different Shangri-La. Shangri-La ba yun?
Oh, that's not a circle. That's a spiral.
What? No, a spiral is like that. Magkano ba room dito? Paano kung member ako? May special rate ka? Opo, mas mahal.
Ano yan? Marie, siya na ng spread natin.
Yeah.
Sarap.
Hindi kasi siya maka-order. Papanggap na lang siya. It smells yummy.
Right? It tastes like board.
Cardboard.
Paano pag Golden Circle member? Paano ka kukuha ng bill?
Ito nga mo, lumapit agad.
Hindi na anak ka lang. Bigyan ka ng poster.
Surprise ba to? Ikaw nakaisip na ito, no? Ano to? Uwi na tayo. Nakakainis na.
Gift yan.
Everything. Ang ganda pa naman. Teka. Natalala.
Pinakabox pa.
Hindi ba nang nilagyan nung itong
Croutons. Uy, hindi na daw siya makahinga. Wala tayong pambayad dito sa St. Luke's. So, walang laman.
Ako pa nga maglalagay ng naman. Yun ang masakit yung ko.
Thanks, Camille. Happy birthday.
Sure. It's nothing.
Magbayad ka na sa kanila.
Saan?
Sa mga tao.
Bye.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wish na ako.
Sana next year.
Yeah! This is a wonderful birthday. Thank you for the present.
Ano message mo sa mga lashers mo?
Really?